Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Facebook profile to digital creator. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. First thing, you want to click on your menu icon at the bottom right of your screen and click on where it says Kevin Witchy at the top. Now that's my profile name. It's going to display your profile name. You need to click on that and it's going to take you to your Facebook profile. Over here, just click on the three line at the side and then scroll a bit down and click on where it says turn on professional mode. Once you click on that, click on where it says turn on. Once you click on turn on, it's going to take you to your professional mode turning on page. And once you're over here, you can click on add your bio. And over here, you can add yourself a bio and click on save. Now you can write whatever bio you want. That is basically just my bio, alright? And once you add your bio, you can click on add details about yourself. And over here at the top, as you guys can see right beside profile, you can click on the pencil icon. And from over here, make sure you choose digital creator by searching for it. Once it's done, you have basically done it. If it shows you digital creator over here, you can click on save at the bottom. And now the tag of digital creator will be added on your profile. So that is how simple it is to add digital creator to your profile. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.